Hey everyone, this is Mike with Legacy Doors and More again. In this video I wanted to show you all just kind of a time lapse of what it's like to install a set of doors. We did not replace the motors on this one. It is just the doors and the perimeter seal. They are going from a non-insulated basic pan door to a steelback thermacore door. It's a door that's about 10 times stronger, significantly quieter. It's a lot less bowing, twisting, creaking. It's a lot more of a solid slab of a section. And of course, it is significantly more insulated. They're going from an R value of 0 to a thermacore that is an R value of 9.04. Plus that seal is going to make a difference as well. I almost just broke my damn neck. Was lifting that top panel in, and this is not even the heaviest top panel that I ever lift in. We lift full view glass and dual pane and etc. To an extent, certain point where I have a helper, but really 16 by 8, 21 inch panel steel back. In my young days, I did it all the time. In my older days, I'm like, I really should have a helper and really should be a team lift, but you know, I am the team. Anyways, was lifting it up and was lifting on my ladder, you know, struggling like crazy, and then, oh my God, and just, oh man, it's a good thing I'm wearing my brown pants today, right? So thanks for watching. And again, if you need anything home or property done in northern Utah, we do it all. We do garage doors, we do handyman jobs, we do literally everything under the sun. Metal fabrication, have electricians, plumbers, HVAC, etc. And of course, if you could like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a great day.